how to update all drivers on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. Now it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways on how you can go and update all of your drivers. Now the first step is you need to open up your start menu. You can then search for settings and click on this window here. Over in the left hand side, select Windows Update. Click on the Check for Updates button, and if there's any updates available, you'll need to go and install these now. Now oftentimes Windows updates also include driver updates as well. So as you can see here, this is a driver update for this Intel Corporation. Now once you've done this, you'll need to scroll down the page and select Advanced Options, then scroll down to Optional Updates and click on this. Click on Driver Updates, and here you'll also find any outdated drivers. So go and select all of these, and then you can press Download and Install. Now there is another way to update your drivers as well. You can open up your Start menu, search for Device Manager and click on this window. You then need to select the driver you want to go and update. So let's say for example I wanted to update my network driver. So what I could do is I can go and right click on my Wi-Fi driver and press Update. You could then press Search automatically for drivers, and this will scan to check that you're running the latest driver. So you can basically go through any of the drivers from this window, and you can just go and update these individually. Now the final way you can update a driver is by manually updating it. So let's say for example I wanted to go and update my Realtek audio driver. Now you can do that just by coming over to a search engine. You can then type in Realtek audio driver or whatever you're trying to update, and this is going to give you the website for that official driver. You can then just go and download the driver from the official website. You can then open the downloaded file to manually update your driver.